kolo. That and you put money, wrap your money small small. The richest man in Africa. I will survive this. Hi, my pastor. What's the survive the Hello my fellow readers, how are you doing today? Today's Saturday and normally my Saturdays are usually not free. It's either I'm at work or I'm in one conference, event or the other. But today I'm free, which is quite unusual. Actually, I have two conferences I should have gone today, and but I decided just to take this Saturday off. It's been a long week for me, so I decided to take this Saturday off. First of all, so I was like, hey, what will I do today? Saturday, I'm free, I'm at home, what should I do? I firstly considered having another solo reading date. I was like, I've done that before, let me do something new. And this is something new, is not actually new because I've been postponing it for a while now, which is actually rearranging my library. It's quite scattered. The books are not arranged categorically. So that is what I'll be doing today. We'll be taking time to arrange the books according to their categories. Like I'll separate leadership, business, marriage, spiritual development from each other. So, and I was actually the one that scattered this, and it's been a while. I came here, to actually sit and read it. It's actually been a while. Sometimes, like most of the times, I just come in, pick a book, and leave. So I'll be taking it upon myself to arrange the books today accordingly and categorically, so that when I come in or when another person comes in, it will be easy to know or to decide the kind of books you will be reading. I will be making use of this. This is a sticky note to label the books. When I'm done arranging them, I will label them according to their category. I intend to use this to hold it, but I'm not sure if this will be able to penetrate into the wood because it's quite hard. But if it can't, at least this one has a sticky gum, so once I stick it on, you should be able to stay. We'll find out if it will stay or not. So let the journey begin. Hope I will not be tired, but I will not be tired. So that is why I'm taking you through this journey. So let's start. Oh, we are getting closer and closer. Idea came to me now. Should I arrange the books according to their authors? But I've also discarded that thought in the sense that I have more of John Maxwell books here. I think John Mason too. Most of his books are here. Malcolm Gladwell, yes, I think I have 2 or 3 of his books here. So others are just one, and but to not really fly. So let me just arrange them categorically so that at least they're all together in the same category. So I've discarded that thought. At this point, I'm not tired yet. I'm not tired. Still have much energy in me. Just like right now. The shelves are empty now, and it's time to start arranging. And this is actually where the work is. I have to decide where I will put each category. See, I have books all over me. This is actually where the work is. So now start picking the book one by one according to their height, their size, and their category. I will survive this. Hi, my pastor. For the survive me, success is who you are. This is also personal development, so it's going into this. This is my own book. My personal book. I bought it. I bought it at YMR in 2024. So this is my personal book. So, yeah, my personal book. Yeah, this is the biography of Daddy Adeboye. This is also a spiritual book. Okay, why you want to be rich? By Trump and Kiyosaki. This is the financial book. And you should be doing this because I have the Millionaires Club here. So it's super achievers breakfast. If you're an old Testament member, you should be familiar with these books. Oh, lovely days. The spiritual section books. See them here. Yeah, Mama, so see this small book. I can just put in your pocket when you're going and buy Pastor Olushola Areogun. Olushola Areogun. Hope all these books are still in print because that is important thing. That's very, very important. I don't know, something is coming to my head now. Should I say it? Okay, so that at least all this generation can have access to it. As if I'm not in this generation. But something is coming to my head though, but that so many things that this generation will not have access to or are not having access to just because they're probably out of style, or let me say out of trend. These things are not old school. They're actually what built the older generation. These are things that they have access to that we don't have access to. So you see all these small books now. If I asked my dad now, probably when he was in university, that was when he got the book. I did not write name on it. So unlike him, he always writes name and date in anytime we buy the books. See there. When imitation is not limitation, no limiting living. All the small books that you can literally read at a go. And these things are not old school. I hope we go back to it and actually pick up that habit again, because these are habits that built the older generation, and this finally going out of style or out of trend. Please, for your own sake, it's not old school. Let me continue with my arrangement. I still have a lot of things to arrange. This is just a section and I'm not done. Okay, I have here my vision by, this is the story of Dubai. How Dubai was created by the president, the first president of Dubai. Biography of the richest man in Africa. There was a country by Chinua Achebe. I read this book, I actually enjoyed it. I'm done with the first shelf, finally. Though I still have the second one to arrange, but this one is looking kind of compacted, so I don't know, so I might take some books from there and put them in, although there are just few books left, so it means there will be space for me to arrange more books here. So yes, we're almost done. Oh guys, we are making progress. Okay, so now I'm arranging the second shelf and I'll be starting with the first compartment. Here I'll be arranging books on marriage, the likes of things I wish I'd known before we got married, First Season of Marriage by Gary Chapman also, and Success in Marriage by Bishop David Oyedepo. Actually, they wrote the book together. And How to Satisfy a Man and a Woman. This is for a man and also for a woman. The top 10 ways to love your wife and to love your husband. One of the videos I made about marital books, I said I have 14. Actually, based on what I can see here, I have more than 14 books. 7 habits of highly effective people. I read the soft copy of this book, but I still wanted the feeling of hard copy, so that was why I bought the hard copy. I've not even removed this from the liner, and I don't think I will do that. I don't want to remove it because at least it preserves the edges of the book, and so I wish all of this can be people out of liner. So I'll just put it back. President Trump. This is one of the things I actually love about this Western world. They write books. Their leaders actually write books. And I hope we can have that in Africa too. Seriously, I hope we can do that in Africa because most of their leaders have one book or the other. That is one of the ways they actually used to preserve their memories. So, this point I'm already hungry. I know I'm not supposed to bring in any food here, but I'm hungry. Food we attract rodents, rats, and all of that, and it can actually affect the bones. But I'm hungry. I will just eat it. This is just a one-time habit. So it's not what I do for fun. Let's continue. I'm tired about it. Go. Hello, my readers. You see, I tried and tried yesterday to motivate myself to finish this thing, but I could not continue, so I had to postpone it to the next day. Today is Sunday, and I want to finish up what I started yesterday. At least I was able to. I made significant progress yesterday. I finished arranging the books, and also I tagged them. You can see that I've tagged all the books. You can see them. Spiritual books. You can see financial books and business books. You can see general books. You can also see, for those asking me for marital books, so you can see that these are all books on marriage and communication. See, they're like 20 something or so, more than. I will count them again and be sure. These are personal development books and productivity books. And yes, so that is it. At least I was able to do all of that. So the next thing for me to do is this. You can see this. I call this my words bank. One of the goals I set for myself this year is to write down every new word I learn in a book. Write out their meaning. So do you know Kolo? That, and you put some money, wrap your money small like this, have it small, then drop it inside. That's actually the idea I use for this. So I'll be transferring this white bank into here now to make it look aesthetically pleasant. Although I'll still using this because sometimes I read in my room, so, and this, I don't want to be taking this around, and this is more mobile, so I'll just go with this, put it in my room, and anytime I have a new word, I write out the meaning, I'll drop it there. So let's transfer it into our balance, like kind of bank to bank transfer. So you can try this, and this is actually a way of improving your vocabulary, so you can speak better. We are done. Like, finally done. What have been postponing for like days, was it months? I finally did it, and I did it beautifully well. Oh God, I'm so happy. You know, when you just come in here, you see the environment, very attractive, very beautiful. Hey, tell me why you don't go read? Hey, Jesus, I'm feeling like I was sleep here all day long. Because why? The books are well there right now. You don't have to stress yourself. If you're looking for a book, you know where to go to. Just go there and make your choice. Oh my God, I'm enjoying this view. Final look. Books on marriage and relationship, communication, personal development, and then the awards. Then we move to spiritual books, business and financial books. Also, some spiritual books on you have the miscellaneous. I'll give yourself a clap right now. If you are still watching this video till now, you mean you really watch me rearrange my library. Wow, you're such a beautiful soul. Thank you. Such a nice experience. I enjoyed doing this. Although it was stressful, but I really enjoyed it. Seeing that I take out time to put these books in order is actually very, very, I'm very happy to do it. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, it's one thing to have books, it's another thing to actually keep inventory of the books you have, because you can have a book, and if you don't keep proper inventory, if you don't keep good record, and if you don't take care of your books, you see rats, you see cockroaches, you see a lot of rodents, they will just spoil your books for you. So, and I'm so happy that I took that time to really arrange, separate these books, and I arrange them categorically, so that when I'm looking for a book, I know the part of the shelf I will go to, instead of, I've actually reduced my time in deciding the books to read. So thank you for being part of it. And now that my library is well arranged, expect more content from this page. Yes. So thank you. Bye. But before we go more by me, and I'm a reader and you are, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this channel with your fellow reader, or with someone that you want to see grow.